Namaste, Hamesha Khush Raho Betiya. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you technological aspects of ice cream preparation, its packaging, what is hardening, storage and shipping of the ice cream in advanced milk and milk products technology. First of all, we will start with the preparation of ice cream. Let's start the topic. First of all, we need to select the ingredients. For selection of ingredients, they are maybe from dairy origin or the non-dairy origin. The dairy origin are the combination of sorry those ingredients that may serve as a fat, for example cream, butter and butter oil. And second one is those ingredients that may serve non fat or solid not fat, that are examples are skim milk, condensed skim milk, and another one is the combination of fat and non-fat. Example is evaporated milk, whole milk, condensed whole milk. And the product which is known as non-dairy product is known as emulsifiers, stabilizers, color, flavor, sugar, etc. For figuring, then after selection of ingredients, there is another step which is figuring and formulating the mix. In this, weight or volume of each individual ingredient must be known and they are basically weighed. Then third step is mixing or preparing the mix. Liquid ingredients with continuous agitation and heating, followed by mixing of dry ingredients at the temperature of 49 degrees Celsius. After that, pasteurization of this mix to destroy all the pathogenic microorganisms, and it is done by the two methods. First is batch pasteurization, that is 68 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and the time temperature combination for HTST pasteurization is 80 degrees Celsius for 25 seconds. What is the advantage of pasteurization of that mix, ice cream mix? It dissolves and helps to blend the ingredients of the ice cream mix. It basically renders the mix completely free of pathogenic microorganisms. It improves the flavor and it improves the keeping quality and produces the more uniform product. And after the pasteurization, there is a step known as homogenization. The main purpose is to make a uniform fat suspension by breaking the fat micelles into less than 2 microns, and it is done in two stages, 2000 psi and 500 psi at temperature 68 to 77 degrees Celsius. Advantages are it prevents separation of fat during storage, it improves the whipping ability, and it produces uniform ice cream with smoother texture. It shortens the aging period and decreases the risk of churning in the freezer. Next step is after homogenization is cooling at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius and aging done for more than 12 hours. Aging basically refers to the holding of mix at the low temperature for the certain time period. Now, what is the advantage of aging? Aging improves the body and texture of the ice cream, increases the maximum overrun, that is volume of the ice cream produced from the ice cream mix, then increases the melting resistance. Next is freezing the mix. Next step is the freezing mix. Freezing of ice cream may be divided into the two parts. In the first method, the ice cream mix is quickly frozen along with continuous agitation to incorporate air that results in the formation of small ice crystal. And when the ice cream is partially frozen, it is drawn from the freezer, packaged and quickly transferred to the cold storage room where the freezing and hardening processes continues without agitation. Next step is in the process is packaging. When the ice cream is drawn from the freezer, it is packed into the container that gives the desired shape or size for convenient handling during the marketing process. Next step is hardening and storage of ice cream. When the ice cream is drawn from the freezer, it has a semi-fluid consistency. The freezing process is therefore continued without agitation during hardening until the temperature of ice cream reaches minus 18 degrees Celsius. Quick hardening is desirable as slow hardening leads to formation of large ice crystal and porousness in ice cream. After that, the ice cream is shipped in the tank, frozen trucks, and or you can refrigerated trucks, in frozen conditions by proper transportation. And hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them. Thank you so much for watching this video.